The National in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over central Kane County and northern DuPage County from Glendale Heights to South Elgin to Elgin, moving at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to siding and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Campton Hills, Roselle, Bloomingdale, South, and Warrenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's weather.